Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? I love this job, man. Alright guys, today check this out. I need some advice. 1985 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. A subscriber wants us to take this vehicle and do an engine swap. So I'm gonna need some advice from you guys, especially from the guys out there who are consistently commenting and giving me advice on our channel. Coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, I don't know whether this is going to be part one or it's going to be the end. I know one thing, we are definitely going to be going down the rabbit hole. Alright guys, so let me start this off with you just like I got the email. Jaleel, what's up? Yeah, buddy. That's Jaleel's the owner of the Cadillac. 85 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. This car belonged to his late father, and what he would like to do is get this thing back going while his grandmother is still around. Alright, so that's what our intentions are. Now, here we are. Now, Victor, what's up? Victor has definitely been a great subscriber, and he has helped out so much. Victor, I definitely got to give you a double. Yeah, buddy. All right, check it out. Victor has done this before. All right, guys, here it is. The 85 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. It's got the 4.1 engine. Crummy engine. Nobody really likes the engine. I don't even know why well, I know. It's just like coming out when they came out with the Cimarron. Some of you guys know that. Some of you don't. All right, so now a lot of people, now I didn't know this. I had to do research on this. A lot of people had taken the Oldsmobile 350 and put it into this car and junked that 4.1. Supposedly, it's supposed to bolt up to the original transmission. Everything is fine. So now, but Jaleel had bought a Chevy 350. Now, from what I understand, the Chevy 350 won't bolt up to it. But what he did was buy the Chevy engine along with the transmission. And what he wants us to do is take the 4.1 out and the transmission and set this transmission in. Now here's the good part, guys. Before we go any further, I'm gonna show you some pictures of the car and of the engine and transmission that he wants us to put in there. All right, now pay very close attention to these pictures. All right, check this out. They don't get no better than that, do they? That engine got nothing. That engine got nothing. Nothing at all. All right, guys. So here we are. The question we are faced is, do I take on this project? Now, of course, you guys know, if we decide that I take on this project, of course, we're going to be recording it for you guys to see and guide me along the way, because I've never done this before. I know y'all think I've done everything, but just some things Astro hasn't done yet. Alright, so check it out. Now, the car is currently at a repair shop that he was going to get the job done. The labor now they gave him a quote of $8,000. Now I'm not sure if that $8,000 including the other parts they got to put onto this engine, or is this $8,000 just labor? So I don't know that. Jaleel, definitely put in the comment section below. Let me know what's the giddy up with that. So guys, here's our situation. If I take on this job, this is going to take a long time because, as you know, we got other jobs lined up. So that takes away from all them other jobs because I don't know. It would just take me. I feel that it would just take me so long to get this car together. Not having the Oldsmobile 350 where I can just bolt it up, and having the Oldsmobile 350 and just bolt it up, I got some help with that, which means I got Victor to help me with that. So anything along the way, I'll get his email address or phone number, and I definitely got somebody I'll be able to contact if I run into a problem. Because with the Chevy 350, and I don't know, maybe you guys can tell me, is the transmission? I mean, not the transmission. Will the drive shaft be the same? Or do you have to change the yoke on it? I don't know. Is the length of the transmission with everything still bolt up? And am I getting all the rest of the parts to this engine? I mean, you're talking about a exhaust manifold with the Chevy exhaust manifolds with the exhaust system on this still bolt up to it. I don't know. I don't know any of that. So I'm looking for an advice on this. Now, check this out, guys. And also, check this out. This is what I want you guys also to do. There's the quote that he got. So let me know what you think is a fair price for me to do that. Because that's a really tough question right there, man. Because there's no labor guide you can look up. I mean, I can look up swap engine, but that's more than just swapping engine. So I'm not sure. I don't know. Only thing I don't know where he got this engine from, but that engine straight up honest, that engine and transmission don't look healthy. I'll just put it like that, man. I know. Only thing I know, I like to, when I put something in there, man, I want to run. If I do this, there is no guarantee whatsoever. Astro's job is throwing this thing in there, bolting it up, get it to run, the power steering lines, and that's another thing, and all that. That's it. I am not responsible for anything. If the car starts up and blows up, I'm not responsible. That's one thing I'm just not going to do. The only way I'm going to be responsible for this is I go into this engine, rebuild it the way I want, and put it in there. Then I'm responsible for it. But not like this. There's no way I can be. So now, how are we going to do this comment things as far as advice? I got a lot of you guys out there that have always supported us and have always gave us compliments, suggestions, helped us out with cars, and you did it. You've done that on pretty much every single video. So those guys, I am definitely going to take heed to what you guys say. Other guys that you still new to the channel and you still commenting, you just been commenting here and there and all, I'll listen to you, but I just won't put too much stock into it as these other guys say, because I know these guys over here. And just to mention, I hate to mention names because then I don't want to forget nobody. Robert, Victor, Hector, definitely number one on the top of the list is Len, Manic Mechanic 007. He's been with us since day one. Definitely what he suggests on this. There's a lot of other guys too. I'm gonna try. I forget. I don't want to mention them because I don't want to leave nobody out. But I know a lot of you. I know you guys who do it. You know who you are. You have commented on our videos. You have helped me out, helped me through making some tough decisions. So what you say about this, I'm definitely going to heed to it. And if you guys say, Tim, I think it'd be a good idea to do it, considering the other work we got. I'm trying to do this van right here, and we got the Kia going on. We got the Honda with the head gasket, the Kia going on. We got, let's see. We got a couple big jobs coming up, man. So if you guys think I can do this, Well, I know you know I can do it, but within a reasonable amount of time, then I'll do it. But if you guys, I don't care if I get 50 guys saying do this, and I get these special 4 or 5 of these guys said don't, I'm not gonna do it. That's how much value I put on these guys' opinion. They definitely, because they're not here for this, the entertainment factor. They're here to definitely help me out and get better as a mechanic. So, and I was like, how you get better than that? How you get better than what you are? You know, the one thing, guys, you know what makes a good mechanic? When the first thing you realize is that nobody knows everything, and nobody will know everything. once you get those 2 in your thick skull, you gonna be a good mechanic. All right, so guys, there it is. I'm definitely looking for some advice on this, because whatever you guys say, this is what I'm gonna do. Especially you main guys, whatever you say, this is what we're gonna do. And give me a time frame on what you think this how long this is gonna take. And you know, just give me your opinion. Put it out there. Let me see what you gotta say. All right. This is Timmy from Astral Auto Repairs. Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot the one thing that Sylvia said. Any comments or questions, be sure to put them in the comment section below, or you can email me direct to tim@astralautorepairs.com. Guys, girls, this is Timmy from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. I'll see you in the comment section.